A great way to juice the sound and production value of your station is to infuse some custom imaging elements, like day part themed jingles or sweepers. Let's say you have some weekend jingles that you want to run, but you don't want to create new rotations or new playlists to pull it off. That was the leaky boat I was in recently. I'm Jeff, the radio DJ dude, and I cracked the code. Well, actually, I wrote the code to tell Radio DJ exactly what days of the week to play specific jingles. Let's check it out.
We are on the air.
I have a position in my rotation that calls for kind of a generic station jingle.
The best music.
Triple X 80s.
But recently, I got my grubby little hands on some cool weekend theme production elements like this.
All hits, all weekend long. Totally awesome.
Triple X 80s.
Oh yeah, I had to get these into the mix. But how? I needed to find a way to program weekend-specific production elements into my normal rotations and not have to create a whole bunch of new events just to play certain rotations on the weekend. Let's hit the easy button, baby. In a normal rotation where I would program a station jingle, nowhere in the track rotation edit box does it allow me to choose, well, only play on Saturdays and Sundays. Oh, but Monday through Friday, play the station jingle. On the weekends, play the weekend jingle. So how the heck can I pull this off? Well, because of the incredible, robust, vibrant, helpful community on the Radio DJ website, I was able to cobble together some code that look a little something like this. And don't worry, I'm not going to make you squint and try to type all this. I pasted the code over in the description. But basically what this is doing, it's telling Radio DJ to select a jingle from these categories if certain conditions are met. And those conditions just so happen to be to select my normal station jingles, which is my subcategory 11, from day of the week. This is important. Greater than or equal to 2, but less than or equal to 6. What? What's 2 and 6 mean? Well, for SQL programming, 1 is Sunday, 7 is Saturday. So 2 through 6 are Monday through Friday. Aha! It's coming together. So, from Monday to Friday, you'll pull this jingle. On Saturday, you'll look in the database for subcategory 116, which is my weekend jingles. And the day of the week equals 7, which is Saturday, you'll play this jingle. And I couldn't figure out a way to combine this on one line, so I just did another union. And for Sunday, same code as above, but for the day of the week, I made it equal 1, which is Sunday. And it's selecting 8 of these by random, and then it selects 1 to play based on the track least recently played. That little piece of magic code has really helped give my station a more custom sound.
Weekends are jamming. Totally awesome 80s. Triple X 80s. Cool.
And don't just think of it as a script to play weekend elements. No. Imagine if you had elements that played on Monday or Wednesday or Friday. All that's possible without having to create a ton of new rotations or having to come up with a bunch of events to program rotations to only play on Saturday and Sunday in order to pull this off. So I use my same 5 rotations, but let the code determine the jingles based on the day of the week. Pretty snappy, Pappy. There you go, another easy way just to pummel Radio DJ into submission. Bend it to your will. You want to play a jingle just on Saturdays? You should be able to do that, and now you know how. I'm Jeff, the Radio DJ dude. I appreciate your minutes and seconds. And if there's something you want me to talk about, or maybe you never want to hear from me again, well, you can hit unsubscribe for that. But if there's a topic you'd like me to broach, well, please type it below. And as you are typing and clicking, if you don't mind hitting the subscribe and like buttons, oh, my heart would be filled with such love. Thank you. Am I blushing? Can we move on? Okay, anyway, thanks for watching, and most important, keep rocking those mics all over the world.